Hello there everyone, my name is Paytm and I welcome you all to my channel. In this video of PTC Creo, we're gonna be talking about possibilities and capabilities of Extrude tool. In our last two videos, we talked about the external sketch and embedded sketch of Extrude tool. But here in this one, we will see the types and variants of Extrude. So let's begin. Go to New, or you can also press Ctrl+N. Now you can give your file a name. I am letting it as it is, and if you already have set the template, then you can check this option. But if you haven't set your template and want to know how to set your template, then you can check the starting video of this series. Now here in this case, I'm just disabling it so that I can select the desired template. I'm going to use millimeter Newton second or maybe millimeter kg second. Now we are in part mode. Here are our 3D templates and I'm selecting Extrude tool. The best way and the shortest way of enabling Extrude is to select the plane first and then go to Extrude, or you can press X, as X is the shortcut. But here for the visibility, I will be just using mini toolbar for Extrude. Now you can click here so that you can make the sketching plane parallel to screen. And now you can make your entity. And you already know Creo will create automatic dimensions, and now we need to create dimension as per our requirement. After you make your entity, click OK. Now we will see the preview of extruded part with orange color. So by default, the Creo create extrude of finite value in one direction. This is one of the basic type of extrude that you can create. For example, I'm going to create a plate of thickness 25 mm. So I'm going to change this value to 25. And here you can see we have successfully reached to the desired result. Now if you want to change your direction, you can click on this arrow and you can flip the direction of extrude. The same option is available here. If you feel difficulty with the help of arrow, you can use this option, because this option also will perform the same activity. Now we will see the next option, like I want to add material to both direction. For that, you're gonna click here, which is the third option from the left, and click on list box and select the second option, which is again the same. Now you can see the material being added, or the process of extrude. It is adding same material in both directions. So we saw the two options here. First one was extrude in a particular direction, another one is extrude symmetric, or extrude in both direction. Now I will recommend you to practice these both options by yourself and try to make some entities and extrude them, and try to notice the difference between the both options, which is extrude in one direction with finite value, and again another one was extrude in both directions with finite value, or extrude in symmetric way. I hope guys this tutorial might help you in learning PTC Creo and these two options. In our next video, we're gonna be talking about more possibilities with extrude, like extrude up to next surface and extrude throughout. If you like this video, then consider subscribing to my channel, and I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.